Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing another day, day 10, of the Advent calendar put together by Tammy Powley of Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden. We each sent one another 8 items. 8 times 3 is 24, and that came out to December 1st through Christmas Eve. And it could be anything doll related. And I have gotten I am so excited about what I got, I can't tell you. I wanted to point out my 2 deer blow molds. These are new. We got these at Walmart, and boy, did they get us. I'll show you in another video how many of these little $10 blow molds we have bought. And I told Darren we should have just got a couple big ones for the yard, but I absolutely love them, so I wanted to point them out. Okay, here is my jar full of prizes. I am so excited. My Christmas Advent, I'm gonna look away again and pick out from Beth, and I know that from the paper. Let's tear this open carefully and see what I did get. Careful. Oh, wait till you see this. Oh, this is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness, look. A little hair clip. And you know Beth, she made this. That is so cute. I don't have my glasses on. I don't want to show it upside down. Isn't that cute?
No, I'm not sure now. I thought those were little animals. They are.
They're
little cats.
Fat cats. Yeah, I thought it was penguins at first. Sorry, folks. I do not have my glasses. Beth, my dolls are going to look so stinking cute in that. And I love the way you did it here. Just adorkable. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and watch Tammy, Beth, and Jay's channels to see what they opened up on day 10 of our Advent calendars. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.